Yeah.
Okay. Hello! Welcome to Bella's Bits and Bobs we can come out with that. Welcome to Bella's Bits and Bobs pop-up living room life drawing classes, and tonight it's very exciting. I'm making my first video and it is on a boat, and we're in the Tower Bridge moorings, and we are starting off with some pins and a few bits and bobs at the beginning, and we're going to get drawing soon, so hope you enjoy. So it's kind of, you know, walking through a bit of a garden, but I'm actually on the water. Here is the boat. There's Tower Bridge over there. Our model Clem has just arrived. Hello! Very exciting. Hey guys, you are ready for you to come down? So just to explain the reason why we are live drawing, for a number of reasons, but firstly, it's what? Peace in the world, that also too.
I'm waiting in line and I'm checking the time. I'm waiting in line and I'm checking the time. I don't know if I will stay, but I know